Highs around 80. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers likely with scattered thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Westchester County in southeast New York, Rockland County in southeast New York, Putnam County in southeast New York, southeastern Orange County in southeast New York, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Pomona, or near New City, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Haverstraw, Ossining, Peekskill, Mount Kisco, Yorktown Heights, Mattapack, and Carmel, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Orange and Rockland. The following is a short-term forecast from the National